guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do another quick behind the scenes for you guys with my model Elvira. So we're gonna do a quick little portrait behind the scenes. I'm gonna show you how I pose and guide my model, and I'll just show you like how I use my camera, my lens. The lens that I'm using today will be the 28-70 2.0 lens, and so I'm gonna be really focusing on like those really soft close-up portraits using some backlight. We do have a little bit of a cloudy day, but I'm gonna try to use some backlight for these. All right, let's get started. What I'll have you do, actually come up, stand like right here. One of the things that I'm gonna do, since we have a cloudy day, I do recommend putting your camera to like a cloudy setting, because it'll give you a little bit of that natural warmth and raw. That will be a little bit easier for you to edit. Now, of course, if you're trying to go for like a moody look, then just keep it in auto and have more of the cooler tones. All right, so I'm gonna take a couple test shots here. Yeah, the light here, girl, is stunning. Kind of bring your, yeah, I actually like that, how you kind of had the hands over and you were looking off to the side. It's stunning. It's beautiful. Yes, love these. Yeah, I love how you're kind of like looking up. Just make sure your face is a little bit more toward me. Stunning. Natural model right here. Yeah, that's beautiful. Super cute. Actually, the sun here looks so stunning. Take some further out. Yeah, I'm getting a little bit more wider so you can play around with your dress a little bit. Perfect. Super cute. Yep, a little bit twirling back and forth. Yes. These are gorgeous. Yes. If you stand sideways, again, I really like the hands for whatever reason. I don't know if it's because you're a jeweler, you got pretty hands, or you just know how to position them. When I dial in on my photos and I crop the body, I really like the hands to be there. That's just more of a personal preference. I feel like it looks a lot better. But from the, yeah, girl, oh my gosh, my battery is dying. Hold on, I need to move this way a little bit. Oh, that is stunning. So how your body is positioned, I want to get you more like, go that way a little bit, and yes, more from this side. More like this, like more where I can see a little bit more of your back, and then bring the hands up. Yes. Yes. Right there. That's stunning. Bring the other hand close to you. Yes. Give it a little bit of that glare, but it's still pretty. Maybe bring the hand, don't have it so wide. Turn it a little bit. That's pretty. All right, guys, so we found a cute little lake. I have Elvira sitting here on kind of on the bottom. I'm gonna use this little spot where she's gonna be kind of a little bit more down. I still want to do the portraits close up, get the lake view. It is getting a little darker. So again, when you're shooting, wherever the light is the brightest, you want it to face the model, okay? Like on that side, it's dark, so I would not want the model on that side, but just to give you a little, you know, help you out there. All right, so this is perfect, just how you're sitting. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, 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 so pretty. Yeah, even play with the plant a little bit. Yeah, you could probably, yeah. Okay, take some this way too. I kind of like more of the relaxed lip. Yes, oh my gosh, girl, these are too pretty. These are so stunning. Yes. Okay, let me take a few, a little bit more back. And then yeah, we'll take a few. What you can even do is if you want to just sit on your knees, you can. Because I want to do similar shots that I did at the lake. No, you look good there. I would maybe sit sideways. Yes. Yeah, that's pretty. Yes. Come closer to the face again. Love that. I'm surprised my battery still hasn't died on me. It's pretty. And actually, even a full body pic like that is cute. With the dress, are you able to kind of bring it up a little bit? I wonder if there's a way you can sit where like your legs look nice too. Maybe, are you able to kind of separate your legs a little bit? Yeah, like that. Or you can even do it this leg up, the other one back maybe. Always really pretty, like that. Yep. Yeah, and then one like that where I can see a ring. Bring it closer. I would bring it to your neck, like almost to your neck. Yeah, that's pretty. Yeah, like that, and maybe with the hand, kind of turn it other way, like that, like this. Yes, that's pretty. Yeah. I feel like the hair I would put like, let it kind of, yeah, fall off, kind of more of a natural look. Yeah, yes, 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 I like that better. So like something about the arms is just, yes, okay, that's pretty. I like that. Bring the arms back though, just because I want to get some at that. How you had him before with the two hands. And then straight on, a little bit more straight on the face. Yes. It's pretty. Yep, now you can change your posture because I want to make sure I'm getting a little bit of both. Yes, 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 that's pretty.